How to blur video background in Capcut. So if you want to blur video background in Capcut, then first you need to simply go with a video. So I'll be going with an existing project, or you can go with a new project. So once you're there, now what you need to do, go with import and then import the same video again. Or you can just copy it and then paste it again and you'll have the overlay, right? Once you have the overlay, go with the first part or the upper side and then go with remove PG. Under remove PG, you need to go with cutout option or go with auto removal, and it will take some time. And after that, now if you close this track, then you can see that Capcut has removed the background. Now what you need to do is just go with the search option, go with effects, and then you need to search for blur effect, download, and you can drag and drop that effect to the second part or the second video. Now you can simply go with the intensity of the blur and go with the first video, and under the first video you can go with intensity, and that's it. That's how you can blur video background in your Capcut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.